Good day, everyone. So, there are theories of everything, right? But first, what is a theory? What is it all about? Is it significant? So, we're here to answer that. A theory is a logical abstraction regarding a phenomenon or the conclusions of such an abstraction. Contemplative and logical thought are frequently linked to procedures like observational study or research. Theories can come from a scientific field, a non-scientific one, or none at all. The word theory is frequently used informally to refer to an unsupported guess or hunch. A theory, however, has almost the exact opposite connotation for scientists. A well-supported explanation of a phenomenon in the natural world, including laws, hypotheses, and facts, is called a theory. So, before we begin our proper discussion about a specific theory, let's first answer 3 easy questions. So, you need to answer if it's either true or false. So, let's begin. Number 1. A good strategy for evaluating theories is to weigh the evidence for each theory, and the theory with the most evidence wins. What will be your answer? Is it true or false? Number 2. A theory that fits with our established beliefs is simple. Is the answer true or false? And lastly, number 3. Other things being equal, the best theory is the one that fits best with our established beliefs. Is it true or false? Okay, now, let us see if your answers were correct. True or false? Number 1. A good strategy for evaluating theories is to weigh the evidence for each theory, and the theory with the most evidence wins. So the answer is false. The answer is false. For number 2, a theory that fits with our established beliefs is simple. Is your answer true? Yes, the correct answer is true. Good job. And for number 3, other things being equal, the best theory is the one that fits best with our established beliefs. What is your answer? Was it true or false? If your answer was true, then your answer was correct. The answer is true.
Ptolemy placed the Earth at the center of his geocentric model, and using the data he had, Ptolemy thought that the universe was a set of nested spheres surrounding the Earth. He believed that the Moon was orbiting on a sphere closest to the Earth, followed by the Mercury, then the Venus, and then the Sun. Beyond the Sun were a further 3 spheres on which Mars, then Jupiter, and then Saturn orbited the Earth. And finally, the outmost sphere was where all stars were located in 48 constellations that Ptolemy described in his texts. It wasn't until 1543 that Polish astronomer Nicolaus Copernicus proposed a revised model putting the Sun at the center, the heliocentric model of the universe.
Ptolemy. His real name is Claudius Ptolemaeus, but we know him as Ptolemy. His name is a mixture of Roman and Greek Egyptian, which Claudius probably mean he was a Roman citizen. The name Ptolemy means that he was a Greek. He was born and died in Egypt. It is believed that he lived from 90 to 170 CE. They know that he worked in the library of Alexandria, Egypt from 127 to 150 CE or Christ era. He was known as an astronomer, mathematician, and geographer. No one knows about Ptolemy's life except what he can be inferred from his writings.
Ptolemy combined Greek understanding of the known cosmos. For more than 1400 years, his work promoted acceptance of his conception of the cosmos in the Byzantine and Islamic worlds as well as throughout Europe. His work allowed astronomers to make precise predictions of planetary positions and solar and lunar eclipses. Ptolemy had an impact on the world by utilizing the information he had, and he believed that the Earth was surrounded by a system of nested spheres. He thought that Mercury, Venus, the Sun, and the Moon were in order of proximity to the Earth on a circling sphere.